Sweet homemade cornbread is so much better than a box mix and makes a great side with turkey, chicken, soups, or chili. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. Melt a half cup of unsalted butter in the microwave in 15-second intervals until completely melted and set aside to cool. In a large bowl of a hand or stand mixer, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, a half cup of granulated sugar, 1½ tablespoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Using the whisk attachment, mix the dry ingredients evenly until it is combined. White cornmeal can be substituted in this recipe, but the flavor will be different since yellow cornmeal has a more prominent corn flavor than white cornmeal. In a separate large bowl, add the cooled melted butter, a half of a cup of vegetable oil, 1 1/4 cup of 2% milk, 3 large eggs, and 1½ tablespoons of slightly melted honey. Using the whisk attachment, whisk these ingredients together for about 2 minutes until completely combined. If you would like a sweeter cornbread, feel free to add extra slightly melted honey. Slightly melting the honey helps transfer the honey to the mixing bowl easily. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and using the whisk attachment, mix for about 2 to 3 minutes or until evenly combined. Feel free to add in shredded cheese, jalapeños, or corn kernels for something extra to this sweet cornbread recipe. Add the mixture to a greased 9x13 baking dish. In a 350-degree preheated oven, bake for around 30 to 35 minutes or until the edges are slightly brown and a toothpick comes out clean. Let the cornbread cool for around 10 minutes before cutting into pieces and serving. Eat the sweet cornbread as is or top with butter, honey, or jams to enjoy as a side with your next meal. Check out other bread recipes or baking recipes in the link above or the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. Come back soon to bake more good things.